Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Google Colab and choosing a runtime type for training. Open the Runtime menu and choose Runtime Type, GPU with high RAM if available. Next, mount Google Drive so your project files persist between sessions. Use from Google. Colab import Drive and Drive. Mount to connect. Install required Python libraries with pip commands at the top of the notebook. For object detection, install Torch, TorchVision, OpenPython, and any model-specific packages. Confirm GPU availability with Torch. CUDA is available so you can use hardware acceleration. Organize your dataset with clear folders and consistent file naming for images. Create annotation files using Coco.json or YOLO text label formats for each image. Resize images to a consistent input size, for example 416 x 416 pixels for YOLO models. Normalize pixel values and augment data with flips, color jitter, and random crops to improve performance. Split the dataset into training and validation sets, commonly 80% train and 20% val for reliable metrics. Upload both images and labels to Drive. Begin training by running the model training script with explicit hyperparameters. Start training with a clear command specifying epochs, batch size 16, and image size 416 to match preprocessing. Use a learning rate schedule, for example 0, 0, 0, 1 initial and step down after validation plateau. Monitor metrics such as MAP, loss curves, and per-class precision during training to detect overfitting. Save the best checkpoint based on validation MAP and keep a recent backup. Finally, export the model to ONGX or TF-Lite for deployment and test inference on sample images in Colab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.